Hello people, so today we will talk about iPhone features and I would like to show you the way how you can scan documents with your iPhone. So the application that we use today is Apple Notes. So you just need to open the Apple Notes by slide your home screen into the left side, and then you just need to type Apple Notes on the search button over here. Type notes only and that will be like help you. Then you just need to go click the notes here. The next thing you need to do is just creating the new documents by go click this down part here, click it, and then you will have a blank document here, and then make sure that you just click return so that you will in body text or body document sections. So if you want to scan the document, you just need to go click this icon with the camera icon here, go click it, and there will be like options pop up, and one of them is scan documents. Go click it and you just need to prepare the documents that you want to scan. So I have these documents here, right? So you just need to open the area that you want to add and you just need to place it, and the application will save it for you, and then you just need to go click save. And you just need to click done, and all of the documents is already saved into your documents right away. So that is the way, guys, how you can like scan the documents. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorials.